What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If it is the first time you're touching down on this channel, welcome to Small Feet Big Heat. We talk sneakers, we talk streetwear, and everything in between. I don't know about where y'all from, but over here on the East Coast, we are slowly but surely saying goodbye to my favorite season. The days are getting shorter, the nights are getting chillier, but Hat Club knows how to close out the summer with fireworks. The Hat Club Fireworks collection drops September 19th. That's this Thursday. And from what I'm hearing, the first 300 people to order will get this special box, this Hat Club Fireworks branded box. You got the Hat Club Fireworks logo on the front, fireworks on the sides, the boom logos. It's a pretty cool box. I like the artwork on it. The hats themselves in this collection are tonal black, black crown, black visor, white front logos. I think the only one that doesn't have a white front logo is the Diamondbacks, but the Hat Club Fireworks details page is up on the website. So if you want to see any of the other teams in depth, go check out that landing page, the Hat Club Fireworks page, and you can see all of the hats before they drop. Stay ready so you don't have to get ready. And on the outside of that Yankees front logo, you can see the fireworks threading, and that's basically a multicolored metallic threading on there. It's red, blue, and yellow, so it's not rainbow. It's just those three colors in repetition around that white Yankees front logo. A couple months back, Hat Club dropped that VHS pack. I wasn't gonna make the same mistake twice, so I had to make sure the Yankees at the very least came home. Big 99 side patch, white outline with that same metallic multicolored threading in there. On the background kind of the triangle, you have a couple hits of green as well for the globe. That 1999 is like all silvered out. I love that detail because it's gonna make it easier for me to match up this hat with a couple sneakers that I have in mind, but we'll get to that a little bit later in the video. And then you have some more white threading on the World Series tech. I think it's a good looking patch, and again, I like the little details of the multicolored threading, but it's not too over the top. It has a nice subtleness to it. Flat batterman on the back, they kept it simple, black and white, tonal New Era flag, green UV with the black sweatband, so classic, way to go. Make sure y'all listening to this next part because I already know y'all gonna ask me in the comments. Made in Bangladesh, and this hat is 100% wool. Also on the inside is like a custom warning tag. Y'all know I love these little details if you kept up with the videos. And this says, warning, curved visor only under adult supervision. Carefully remove stickers from visor. Always handle fire crowns with extreme caution. I love that. And it looks great in there. I'm gonna go ahead, steam it, curve it, and come back with some sneakers that I think would make some good combos. So I'm back, the hat is curved. It's looking very crisp if I say so myself. Good looking curve on that. So I have all of the sneakers that I pulled out, and that is the first part of matching up my sneakers and my hats. I pull out every shoe that I think could possibly match the hat. So for this one right here, I was looking for all of my black and white shoes or shoes with silver metallics. And I went ahead and I pulled all of those out. Anything that I thought could match. And you're gonna narrow it down later, but it's much easier to look at 5 shoes than like 100 shoes. So just pull out everything initially that you think is gonna match. Don't skimp. If it even looks similar, go ahead and pull it out because you never know. Immediately, the first one that I'm iffy about is this one right here, the Air Jordan 1 Code Japan. The silver accents, you know, maybe with the right outfit, but just initially with what I'm going for right now, this is not gonna cut it. So we're gonna go ahead and chuck this to the side. The next one that I have here that I'm kind of like, I don't know, it's not really the vibe that I'm looking for, is this one right here, the Air Force One Custom that I commissioned from Edmund Lloyd. This is gonna go ahead and get chucked because it's just not the vibe right now. Like, this is dinosaur bones, this is fireworks, like it's not clicking, you know what I mean? So this has to go. And that's another reason why I say pull everything out that you think could be a match, because just like that, we went from 5 to the final 3. And the next one I already know I'm gonna get rid of is this other Air Force One, the silver snake or 3M snake joints. So these are gonna get tossed because again, the snake skin, the fireworks, it's just not the vibe that I'm looking for right now. Just like that, we down to the last 2, and I could go either way. I think the Comme des Garçons foams will look really good. These have that black and metallic silver finish on them that will work perfectly with the hat, the black crown, the silver detailing in the 1999. Then the multicolor, if you want to get really, you know, strategic with it, that multicolor metallic threading, it definitely hits with the metallic threading on the tongue tab, so that could work. That's something right there. Or I could go with the Air Jordan 1 silver toe, keep it clean, classic, very like on par combination, no clashing patterns or colors. It's just like a 1-for-1 going on right here. So let me know what y'all think. What's the better combination? As always, do me a favor and like, comment, subscribe, show a small YouTuber some love. I would really appreciate it. And I will check y'all out in the next one.